Applications of molecular markers. There are many applications of the molecular markers. They can be in the form of gene mapping, mean these type of the molecular markers, they can be used for gene mapping. They can be used for pre and postnatal diagnosis of the diseases. They can be used for anthropological and molecular evolution studies. Molecular markers can be used for conventional breeding strategies as well as they are used in transgenic breeding strategies. Short-range applications of the molecular markers, they are parentage determination, genetic distance estimation, and determination of twin zygosity. In other words, that these are the short-range applications of the molecular markers. Other short-range applications of the molecular markers, they are sexing of pre-implanted embryos, that we can determine the sex of the pre-implanted embryos, and we can use them for the identification of the disease carriers. And if we look at the long-term application of the molecular markers, they can be used for gene mapping. They can be used for mapping the qualitative loci, QTL loci, by the linkage analysis. They can be used for marker-assisted selection, breeds. They can be used for the identification of animals carrying the transgenes, mean if we have inserted a specific gene into the genome of an animal, such an animal is called as transgene. So we can also use molecular markers for the identification of those animals.